Hello, welcome. Let's look at how to solve this beautiful maths Olympiad question. Solution. We have two methods, so let's look at method 1. In the method 1, we have x squared minus 13 squared equals to 144. But 144 is the same as 12 times 12. So that's equals to 12 squared. So we write this one as x squared minus 13 squared equals to 12 squared. So now let's take the 12 squared to the other side. So that will give us x squared minus 13 squared minus 12 squared equals to 0. So here we apply the difference of two square rule. The difference of two square rule is that if we have a square minus b square, this is going to give us a plus b, a minus b. Right, so applying this rule, we have this one as a, we consider this one as a, and consider this one as b. So we will have here as x squared minus 13 plus 12, and here we have x squared minus 13 minus 12 equals to 0. So this implies that we have x squared minus 13 plus 12 will give us minus 1, multiplied by x squared minus 13 minus 12 will give us minus 25 equals to 0. So this implies that either we have x squared minus 1 equals 0, or we have x squared minus 25 equals to 0. So here we have x squared equals to 0 plus 1, and we have x squared equals to 1. So we take the square root of this, so we have x squared square root of that equals to square root of 1. So here we have x equals to plus or minus 1. Now from this side we have x squared equals to 0 plus 25. So this implies x squared is equals to 25. So we take square roots of that. So we have x squared square root of this equals to square root of 25. So we have x equals to plus or minus what? 5. So these are the set of what? Solution for this equation. So we have x equals to plus or minus 1, and we have x equals to plus or minus 5. Right, now let's look at the method 2. For method 2, we have x squared minus 13 squared equals to 144. We know that 144 is equals to 12 times 12, and that equals to 12 squared. Right, so here we have x squared minus 13 squared equals to 144. So let's find the square root of this and find the square root of this. So the square root of x squared minus 13 squared, this will cancel this, so we are left with x squared minus 13 equals to square root of 144 will give us plus or minus what? 12. So case 1, we have x squared minus 13 equals to 12, or we have x squared minus 13 equals to negative 12. So here we have x squared equals to 12 plus 13, and we have x squared equals to 25. So here we have x squared equals to 25. Take the square root of this and take the square root of this. So we have x equals to plus or minus 5. On this side we have x equals to x squared equals to minus 12 plus 13. So we get x squared equals to minus 12 plus 13 will give us 1. So we have x squared equals to 1. Take the square root of this and take the square root of this. So we have x equals to plus or minus what? 1. So therefore x values x1 is equals to 5, x2 equals to minus 5, x3 equals to 1, and x4 equals to negative 1. So these are the set of what? Solutions that will make the equation what? True. So we have solved that. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.